Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to briefly talk about FICA, why it's important, and how we risk rate our clients in practice. So FICA exists to protect the financial system from money laundering, terrorist financing, and proliferation financing. As accountable institutions, we are legally required to know our clients, understand where their money comes from, and assess the risk they pose. If we don't get this right, the consequences are serious. Regulatory penalties, reputational damage, and potential liability for the business and its key individuals. Risk rating clients is critical. It allows us to apply a risk-based approach. That means low-risk clients are treated efficiently and higher-risk clients receive additional scrutiny and controls. This keeps us compliant without creating unnecessary friction. So how do we do this in practice? So firstly, at onboarding, every client goes through a formal customer due diligence process. We verify identity, collect supporting documents, assess source of funds and source of wealth, and complete sanctions and politically exposed person screening. Nothing proceeds until the required checks and approvals are completed. Secondly, the risk rating. Each client is rated as a low, medium, or high risk. This is based on client type, products used, geographical exposure, source of funds and wealth, and expected transaction behavior. Most of our clients are South African-based natural persons investing through regulated products, which generally places them in a low to medium risk category. Where higher risk is identified, for example, politically exposed persons or complex structures, we apply enhanced due diligence and obtain senior management approval. Then thirdly, ongoing monitoring. FICA is not a once-off exercise. Clients are reviewed periodically, sanction screening is repeated, and transactions are monitored for unusual or suspicious activity. Anything that doesn't make sense is escalated to the money laundering compliance officer and reported to the Financial Intelligence Center where required. While the board and management have formal responsibility, every employee and advisor plays a role. If something looks wrong, feels unusual, or doesn't make sense, it must be questioned and escalated. In closing, meeting FICA requirements and risk rating clients protects the group, keeps us compliant, and supports sustainable growth. Our RMCP gives us a clear framework to do this consistently and effectively. Thank you.